Hello folks, and welcome to your WYDOT afternoon video weather briefing on this Thursday, the 23rd of February. I'm day weather meteorologist Mark Huer. Severely drifted and impassable sections of I-80 between Rawlins and Rock Springs unfortunately will keep the majority of I-80 closed into Friday afternoon. Areas of light snow and snow showers elsewhere across the state tonight and Friday. Not as cold statewide this weekend, but we will be looking at some increasing winds. And unfortunately, that means increasing blowing and drifting snow concerns and an extreme blowover risk. Let's start with this Thursday and into and through the rest of today and tonight. Blue shade areas looking at a little bit of some light snow and snow shower activity. Overall, a trace to 1 inch will be possible. Inside the blue dashed area here in the west and northwest, 2 to 4 inches for the mountain passes, up to about 2 inches in the valleys. A little bit of some blowing snow from south to southwest winds, 15 to 25 miles an hour. A little bit of some light snow, small accumulations here in south central Wyoming. We'll be looking at increasing late day and overnight winds through the yellow dashed area. Winds out of the south-southwest 10 to 20, some gusts of 25 to 30. So there will be some increasing blowing snow concerns throughout the yellow dashed area. Now for your Friday. Unfortunately, winds going to be picking up throughout the pink shaded area. We're going to be seeing some breezy to strong winds with increasing winds late in the day and overnight of 10 to 20 miles an hour, gusts of 25 to 35 miles an hour. Wind prone areas going to be looking at gusts of 40 to 50. That includes sections of I-80, possibly sections of I-25 in southeastern Wyoming, as well as in central Wyoming, South Pass and secondary roads here, Casper towards Lander, and then the Muddy Gap and Jeffrey City area. Otherwise, light to breezy winds, not as cold statewide on Friday. A little bit of some light snow and snow shower activity, blue shade areas traced to 1 inch, lower elevations 1 to 3 inches, higher elevations. So road impacts or forecasted travel road impacts, majority seeing some moderate impacts. So that's good news through your Friday afternoon. Some areas of snow showers we talked about, little blowing snow with remaining slick areas and roads and black ice, a little bit of reduced visibility throughout the yellow shade areas into and through tonight and Friday. It's the red shade areas that's going to continue to be the problem area with severely drifted and impassable sections of I-80 and also secondary roads, keeping many roads through this area closed in the Friday, including I-80 eastbound from Evanston through Rock Springs on to Rawlins, and westbound I-80 from Cheyenne to Laramie through Rawlins and Rock Springs. Let's stretch it out further and go into this weekend. Saturday, a lot of the same areas for blowing and drifting snow. Throughout the pink shade area, southwest winds from the early morning to late evening hours of 10 to 25, gusts of 30 to 40. Inside the yellow dashed area, winds will be stronger. Southwest winds 20 to 35, gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour. So increasing blowing and drifting snow, increasing extreme blowover risk for light, high profile vehicles, and also increased road impacts should be expected. Non-shade areas light to breezy and dry, not as cold, highs warming into the 20s and 30s, maybe in a few 40s here in the southeast. Sunday, well, we keep high winds across central, southern, and southeastern and eastern Wyoming, unfortunately. Throughout the pink shade area, west to southwest winds 20 to 35, gusts of 35 to 45. So blowing and drifting snow will be an issue. Then through the yellow dashed area, southwest winds sustained 25 to 40, gusts of 50 to 65 miles an hour. Bigger blowing and drifting snow concerns likely Sunday into Monday for the yellow dashed area. Blue dashed area, some developing light to moderate mountain snows as we get into Sunday and Monday. Otherwise, continued dry. Thanks for watching today, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.